Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best mind on statistics is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to truly understand and leverage data in today's increasingly complex world, offering a powerful yet accessible approach to statistical analysis that can unlock hidden insights and drive informed decision-making across a vast array of fields, from academic research to business strategy and beyond. Number 5. Small Fish Infinity Cube Sensory Fidget Toy. Introducing the ultimate handheld fidget toy, designed for everyone. It's the perfect way to keep your hands busy and your mind engaged, whether you're at school or work. Feeling stressed? This compact sensory cube is your answer. It helps you release tension and break free from nervous habits, providing a calming experience. Enjoy hours of engaging fun that also enhances finger dexterity. It's a fantastic way to stay occupied and reduce reliance on screens. Improve your focus during study or work sessions with simple flips and folds. This noiseless gadget is designed to help you concentrate better. Crafted with durable ABS plastic and strong metal rivets, this cube is built for longevity. Its superior quality ensures it won't easily slip from your grasp. Looking for a unique gift? This versatile fidget toy is ideal for kids, teens, and adults, making it a thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like. This fidget toy is designed for ultimate portability and discreet enjoyment. Its ability to be played with one hand makes it perfect for on-the-go stress relief. If you're looking for a way to stay calm and focused during commutes or in busy environments, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This book is a great introduction to statistics, covering all the essential concepts in a clear and concise manner. The examples and exercises are well chosen and help to reinforce the learning of statistical concepts. The author's writing style is engaging and makes the subject matter accessible to a wide audience. Number 4. Garden of Life Raw Probiotics. Introducing Garden of Life Raw Probiotics, a powerful blend designed for both women and men. Experience the benefits of 100 billion CFU and clinically studied strains. This formula includes digestive enzymes to aid in nutrient absorption and promote a healthy gut. It's crafted to support your overall digestive well-being. We use clinically studied probiotic strains known for their effectiveness. These are carefully selected to provide optimal support for your body. Enjoy the convenience of a shelf-stable formula, meaning no refrigeration is needed. This makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Each bottle contains 30 easy-to-swallow capsules. This provides a convenient supply to support your health goals. Give your body the nourishment it deserves with these high-quality probiotics. They are designed to work with your natural systems. What we like. This probiotic supplement offers a high count of beneficial bacteria along with digestive enzymes to support gut health. Its shelf-stable nature means you don't need refrigeration, making it convenient for travel or daily use. If you prioritize gut health and seek a reliable, easy-to-store probiotic, this is a great option. What people say. The book is very well organized and covers a wide range of statistical topics. The explanations are clear and concise, making complex concepts easy to understand. It includes many practical examples and exercises that help reinforce learning. Number 3. Vantrue S1 Pro Dual Dash Cam. Capture every detail with our advanced dual-lens dash cam. It records in stunning clarity, ensuring blur-free license plates and signs even at high speeds. The ultra-wide lenses cover multiple lanes, providing a comprehensive view of the road ahead. Experience exceptional low-light performance with its advanced sensors and f1.8 aperture lens. Dual HDR technology balances exposures, delivering sharp nighttime details for clear footage, day or night, rain or shine. Easily manage your recordings with the intuitive mobile app. Connect via 5 GHz Wi-Fi for live previews, playback, and sharing. Built-in GPS accurately records your route, location, and speed for detailed evidence. Drive with confidence thanks to AI-powered safety alerts. It provides warnings for potential collisions and monitors blind spots, helping you navigate busy roads and parking lots with greater peace of mind. Keep your hands on the wheel with convenient voice commands. Easily start and save videos, take photos, or control settings without taking your attention off the road. Ensure your vehicle is protected around the clock with multiple parking modes. It automatically records incidents with motion and collision detection, preserving crucial details even when you're away. Its compact, hidden design blends seamlessly into your car's interior. Installation is simple with the detachable mount, allowing for easy setup and transfer between vehicles without damaging your glass. What we like. This dash cam provides exceptional clarity, even in low light, thanks to its advanced Starvis 2 sensors and 60 FPS recording. The AI-driven safety features offer an extra layer of protection on the road. If you prioritize crystal clear footage day or night and want intelligent driver assistance, this is the dash cam for you. What people say. The book is a great introduction to statistics. It covers all the essential concepts clearly and concisely. The examples provided are relevant and easy to understand. Number 2. Kestrel 5700 Ballistics Weather Meter. Meet the all-new Kestrel 5700 with Hornady 4 DOF. This device is designed to help you achieve first-round hits at long range. It quickly and accurately determines holdovers and windage corrections. You can rely on it to get you on target every time. This all-in-one unit combines real-time environmental measurements with the 4 DOF ballistics calculator. It's a rugged and dependable tool for long-range shooting. Say goodbye to dope cards and guessing at the wind. You'll no longer be unsure where your bullet will hit when you change elevation. It includes a built-in compass, data logging, and a backlit display. Plus, it's waterproof and drop-tested for durability in any environment. It offers advanced features like aerodynamic jump correction, Coriolis correction, and spin drift correction. You can also store multiple gun profiles for different scenarios. What we like. This device is built for serious long-range shooters, combining environmental data with a powerful ballistics calculator. Its rugged construction ensures reliability in harsh conditions. If you're a hunter or competitive shooter who needs precise windage and holdover corrections for first-round hits, this tool is indispensable. What people say. This book is a great introduction to statistics. It covers the basics in a clear and concise way, and the examples are relevant and easy to understand. The author does a good job of explaining complex concepts in a way that is accessible to students with little or no prior knowledge of statistics. The book is well organized and logically structured, making it easy to follow along with the material. Number 1. Kestrel Ballistics Elite Weather Meter. Achieve pinpoint accuracy on your longest shots. This device uses advanced ballistics and environmental data to correct for everything that affects your bullet's flight. Get up to 15 environmental readings instantly. It's like having a portable weather station right in your hand, giving you the data you need. The high-resolution screen is easy on your eyes, even in bright sunlight. Navigating its features is simple with an intuitive interface. Don't worry about the elements. Its window is designed to resist scratches and breakage, ensuring durability in tough conditions. Stay connected with built-in Bluetooth Low Energy. It wirelessly links to your mobile devices and computers for easy data transfer and updates. What we like. This advanced weather meter leverages the applied ballistics solver for unparalleled accuracy in long-range shooting. It measures a comprehensive suite of environmental factors and connects wirelessly to your devices. If you demand the highest level of ballistic precision and data integration for extreme range engagements, this is the ultimate tool. What people say. This book is a great introduction to statistics, covering all the essential concepts in a clear and concise manner. The examples and exercises are well chosen and help to reinforce the learning of statistical methods. The author's writing style is engaging and accessible, making even complex topics easy to understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.